Welcome back to eCreativeAid. How to make rice pudding the Turkish recipe. Put 1/3 of a cup rice in a deep pot. Then add 1½ cups of water. Let the rice cook on low heat. And in a measuring cup, put 500 milliliters of milk. Continue to mix and cook the rice. And add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract to the milk. Once the rice is cooked, add the milk vanilla mixture to it. Make sure the heat is still low. Now add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Add sugar as much as you desire. Cook on low heat until it's thick. Pour the pudding in serving cups. Sprinkle some granulated sugar on the surface. Then place the cups on a baking sheet with some hot water. Pop it in the oven and let it brown. You can serve it hot or cold. And this is it. Thank you for watching. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.